Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change your Facebook password using the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. On the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. In the expanded menu, tap Settings. Next, look for Password and Security and tap on it. This will take you to a new page where you will see various security options. Here select Change Password. Now you will see three fields to fill in. First, enter your current password in the top box. In the next box, type in the new password you would like to use. Finally, re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once you have entered all the information, tap Update Password to save your changes. If you receive a prompt asking if you would like to log out of other devices, you can choose to stay logged in or log out of all other devices for added security. If you have forgotten your current password, tap Forgot Password at the top of the password page. Facebook will guide you through the steps to reset your password by sending a code to your email or phone number. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Facebook password. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free tutorials. Thank you so much.